What's up, guys? Hey, this is a not a throwback video, but a video that I did about a year ago, and I'm gonna basically touch base on it again. It's about this right here. HCR, is it worth it? We'll have to find out. Stay tuned. That's right, guys. So if you guys are on the fence or have seen the video before, it was a video that said HCR long travel. Is it worth it? Was it worth it? As you can see, I have in my hand an HCR long travel arm. This arm has seen a lot. It's seen a few thousand desert race miles. It's seen the floor of the desert. It's seen rocks. It's seen just about everything. Unfortunately, we've crashed. The front end's been on the ground multiple times. And this thing right here, I guarantee you drop this in the jig, it'll probably flop right in place because this stuff is amazing. This stuff is so strong and so rad. I mean, you gotta think about it though. This right here is a few thousand race miles into it. So, man, we got some rust and we have some battle wounds and things like that. But, I mean, the work of art that HCR puts out is absolutely insane. And I don't even have to tell you guys that because you guys already know that. You guys already know that racers all over the place, all over the country, all different Can-Am, you know, Polaris RZR Pro XPs, Turbo S, whatever it is, they run this stuff because it's worth it. It really is. So back in that video, I was trying to decide on, you know, should we go HCR long travel or should I do the stock width 64-inch, you know, just beefier setup? I guess got in contact with Chris over at HCR. Badass dude. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, Chris. I really couldn't do it without you or Brandon. They got in contact with me after I put out that video. We were talking, and now we've become part of the Racer program. And I couldn't be more stoked. These guys always take care of us, and they produce the best damn arms on the market right now. So after a year of racing, a year of having on the car, I thought I'd do a little review video of what I thought about this. And, you know, maybe you guys are on the fence. Should I buy HCR? Should I go long travel? Should I go short travel, mid travel, whatever it is? Man, I gotta say, this right here, this long travel kit is absolutely amazing. I am so beyond happy with it. I couldn't be more stoked on it, honestly. Do I wish I would have went Uniball for racing? Yes, absolutely. I wish I would have went with the Uniball kit. He gave me the option, and I was like, well, you know, it's an extra whatever amount of money, and I didn't have it, and it's just like kind of hurt the bank, you know what I mean, a little bit. And so I was like, okay, whatever. I'll just do it for now, and if I want to upgrade, I'll upgrade later. So here I am now. I want to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 4 or 5 ball joint breaks later. I really wish I had a Uniball kit. So other than that, and that has nothing to do with HCR. That's just my own doing, and unfortunately, it is what it is. So nothing against HCR by any means. They make a killer kit. They're a killer company, great dudes over there, and I can't say anything but great things about them. So props to you guys for making awesome stuff, and they are killing it. So with the issues that I had with ball joints, it's actually cost me a lot of money. Every time we break the ball joints, we've had to replace brake calipers, brake lines, wheels, now a steering box, or, you know, a steering rack. Sorry, not a steering box. A steering rack, tie rods, you name it, we've had to replace it, the front end, and that was not due to anything that HCR produced. It was due to the ball joints breaking. We've since upgraded ball joints. Now we run good old RCVs. These RCV ball joints are absolutely beef. These things are super awesome. So yeah, it's a little bit more money. People go on the fence between like Keller ball joints or even the RCVs or something out there that's gonna be a little beefier. And I'm definitely glad we upgraded the RCVs. Yes, it is pricey, but definitely worth it. We'll see. Since we stepped up to Pro Turbo this year, we are running a lot faster pace. We're putting the car through some some harsh stuff, and we're just beating on the car a little bit better. So, or a little bit more, not better. So I may be hitting up HCR here pretty soon and getting that uniball kit, because these ball joints, not saying anything about RCVs, but just ball joints in general, it's just not made for the abuse that we put these cars through. We are not light on the car. We do not race on light stuff. I slammed this car into turns. We hit rocks, bumps, whoops, you name it, it gets put to the paces. So I'm absolutely pumped on the way this car is coming out. So along with the HCR arms, upper and lower control arms are amazing. The sway bar, or the trailing arms are absolutely amazing too. Those things are so beefy and so awesome. I chose to go with like a clear coat so I can show the beautiful artwork for HCR. And I'm glad I did, because I had a lot of compliments all the time on how awesome it looks, and I couldn't be more stoked. But I just want to do a little review video and a little update video for you guys. I know everybody seems to be asking me or even giving me advice. You should go this, even though the video was put out a year ago, or maybe even a little more now. But they need to keep looking and go down the list and subscribe like you guys are. So hopefully they will. And I just want to tell you guys, I can't stress you enough, if you're on the fence of going long travel, just do it. Honestly, you can't beat it. I mean, the night and day difference this made on stability wise. I mean, when we had the car 64 inches wide, I could do like 70, maybe 80, you know, and the car just felt a little unstable. I got kind of not scared, but like I knew that the car wouldn't, like, any little bump, it could like kick out, and I just didn't like it. I didn't like the way I drove, so I knew I had to go long travel. And I'm so glad I did, because this, once I put it on, we did the HCR arms, the long travel kit, and then actually put some RC2s from Shock Therapy. So between the long travel and the new shocks that are like tuned and all that stuff, whew, man, what a difference. I can't even tell you. I can't even tell you how stable it is at high speeds. I can turn probably 20 miles an hour faster. I mean, and the car is so predictable now. Like, I know exactly how the car is going to react, and that's partly because of the way I drive it and the amount of time I have behind the wheel. But other than that, just the car goes where you want it to go. And it just takes everything you want that you put at it, and I couldn't be more excited, honestly. And if you're gonna do it, do it. Don't even hesitate. Hit up HCR. Hit up Chris. You can find him at Chris at HCR Suspension on Instagram. You can go hcrracing.com. Message them like that. Put a kit on order right now. Don't hesitate. Honestly, do it. You'll be absolutely stoked. So pumped. And I have to say these things, even, okay, this is the upper arm, so it doesn't see a whole lot of abuse, a whole lot of rocks, but the lower arms do. Let's set this thing down. This, my friends, is the lower arm, and this is the bottom of the lower arm. As you can see, hit some rocks, hit some dingers, but all in all, She's still absolutely perfect. This is the passenger side, so it'll be like this. You can see it's got some rock chips and chunks and whatever else taken out of it, but nothing crazy. And this thing is still in great shape. Like I said, it's probably got 2,000 race miles on it. And for it to have that many race miles, no cracking, no nothing. I mean, absolutely amazing. It's a little dirty and beat up, like I said, but the quality of the welds, the quality of the product that HCR puts out is second to none. I couldn't be more stoked to represent them, race with them, and absolutely have their stuff on my car. So the next car I get, HCR. Literally gonna pull that car off the showroom floor, throw HCR on it because they are that rad. They're an awesome company, and yeah, just don't hesitate. Go do it. Go get yourself a set. If you don't like the raw look, they can do powder coating for you. Everything. So this is not a sponsored video by HCR. This is not anything. This is literally me and you talking, and my opinion as somebody who's raced on it, somebody who is, you know, who's here to talk to you guys about what the good is or the bad is. I'm not here to blow smoke up your guys' ass or anything like that, but I'm going to tell you if a product's good, tell you if a product's bad. This is why you and I get along so well. I have some people message me all the time on here, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. And just because I give honest reviews and I'll tell them straight up, is that product good? Is that product bad? You know, I'll help you out as best as I can. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up, email me, find me on Linktree. Yeah, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff at Stoked to Shred. And as always, guys, I really appreciate you guys stopping by, taking the time to watch these videos. And like I said, go get some of this. Go get some HCR. You won't be disappointed. But that's it for me. I appreciate you guys checking out this video. And I'm out of here. Thank you so much. Adios.